Namaskar, welcome to Vani Shankar's kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to make the Karnataka style of neer dosa. It is very yummy, very soft, very easy. You can just plan and you can just soak it and do it. Very easy. I am going to show you the ingredients. See, I have taken nearly 2 cups of rice. This is what you call raw rice. That's all. Good rice. Of course, you can use any rice. Of course, raw rice only you must use. Okay. Then you have to wash it and soak nearly 4 to 5 hours. That's important. If you are in a hurry, you can put hot water and do it. Otherwise, 4 to 5 hours minimum it should soak. Then we need 1 cup of fresh grated coconut, salt for taste. That's all the ingredients. Now I soaked it is very nicely soaked. See, if you touch, the rice should break. So this much soft should be there. Now I'm going to put it in a mixie jar. So I'm going to put it in the jar. If you want, you can make it 2 times or you can put it in 1 time itself, depends on your this thing. Yes, I put everything in the mixie jar and so much of water. Water if you need we can put. It should be like smooth paste. That is important. Yes, it is nicely grind. Now I am going to add the coconut to the same atta. Yes, it should be like this. Smooth paste. Very smooth paste. Now we have finished grinding. I am going to take it in the vessel. See, it should be like this. In case, of course, we need water for this. So I am going to wash this mixie jar and I am going to add the water. It should be more thinner than this. I am going to add some more water. Before that, we'll add salt for taste. I am going to add 1 and 1/4 teaspoon. Okay. To put some more water because this is neer dosa means neer means water. It will be very tasty and very soft. Now we'll start putting the dosa. I preheated the pan and I'm going to put little oil. I'm using this coconut only because I don't like that plastic thing. So I'm using this coconut only. This is good for health. Of course, when you use, if you don't want, you can just throw this. I don't like plastic things. So you people also must go for the natural things. Natural is always natural. That's what I feel. Let it be some more hot, then we'll start putting the dosa. It is very yummy dosa, very soft dosa. Anybody can eat with the option is yours, any kind of chutney. The thing is, if you have the sides for the tawa, it will be very nice. Otherwise, you have to be very careful when you pour the dosa. In case if you want, we can add some more water. We'll just check. Yes, the pan is hot now. You have to put slowly and carefully, okay? can make some more thin. Don't worry about the shape because this is neer dosa, no? The water will go where there is place like, let it be. We can make little more thin, so I am going to add little more water. I am going to add so much water. See, one more option I can tell you is in case if you don't like coconut, so you can add, instead of coconut, you can add the leftover rice or cooked rice. It is not necessarily leftover rice only, you can use the cooked rice also. When you are grinding the atta, add so much of rice, it will come like a, you can say cotton. It will be very soft, very tasty. You can try that also. It is not necessary that you have to add only coconut. If you add coconut, the taste is different. Of course, we use actually coconut. By mistake, I put the regular oil. Mangaloreans, especially this is from Karnataka, South Canara special this is. So this is a yummy dosa and it will cook very fast because it's thin. See how nice color. Just fold this and again you fold, fold and just keep it in the plate. Now I am going to show you the second dosa. I am going to put I have not added any oil now. Okay, we can add some more water also. So nearly for the 2 glasses of rice, any 2 measure of your choice, I have nearly add double the water. See, it should be like this. You can add more water, no problem. Be careful. First time if you are doing means be very careful. So after that, after making the dosa, you have to add little ghee. Homemade ghee, desi ghee. It will be very tasty and very nice. And you can make it very fast. The thing is, this dosa, it digests very fast and tasty. See how fast it cooks. See, second time I have not added any oil. It is coming by itself. If you want, you can make it as a slightly crispy. I like, of course, soft dosa. I just love soft dosa. I am just making this, not to stick the third dosa. But I have not added any oil. Since we have added coconut, see, I have added so much of water, yet the dosa is coming very nicely. See, too good. How beautifully it is coming. See. Now I am going to switch off the flame. Yes, I am going to add little ghee. So when it is hot no, with the ghee, it is really yummy. I am going to serve with the chutney and show you. Yes friends, the homemade nice soft neer dosa is ready to eat with the garlic chutney. This one I will teach you next time. So this dosa is very soft. See how soft it is. See, even the color, everything is so soft, so yummy. You can just break it. See how spongy it is and how nice it is. No fermentation, nothing, no soda, nothing. You can just make it then and there, just like that it is. You can just make and eat. No fermentation, no dahi, nothing is there. So easy to make, easy to eat, easy to digest, and this is healthy, of course. Of course, coconut you must eat once in a way because if you think this is, I don't want the coconut. So once in a way you can eat. Of course, people will take the coconut oil every day. That I'll tell you in my next video. So just try this recipe and let me know your feedback. This is actually Karnataka Mangalore special, South Canara special this is. So let me know the feedback, and those who are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel, and of course bell icon ting tong and thumbs up. I will come in a new recipe in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.